You're eating your lunch for breakfast.
You were good. It's good.
It's cocoa.
This is what happened. Good morning mga guys. Alas 9 na guys. Bukay pagmata natin guys. Kumusta na kaya yung aking ginagawang pero akong pork nilagay dito. Nagugutom ako. Natutulog kasi ako ng yung mga tao ko naglakad na. Kain tayo guys, nagutom. Alas 9 na. Alas 5 pa akong natulog kahapon. Ay nako. Alas 5 ng hapon, alas 9 na. Ay, anong oras tayo? Haba ng tulog na guys. Nagtrabaho kasi ako sa kabilang work ko kahapon. Thursday night. So kahapon ng umaga ako nakauwi. Okay lang naman. Ang katawan ko kailangan ng kape guys. Kailangan tayong magkape. Saka nagutom ako. Masakit yung ulo ko. Matagal na akong hindi kumakain. 16 hours na. Tingnan mo yung tiyan ko. Ay, 16 hours akong hindi kumakain. Namumutla na ako guys. Pero mataba pa rin. Mataba pa rin. I wanna eat. Good morning, husband. Tukaw-tukaw na akong bata
Oh,
dito.
you must be making a video because you're nice.
Yes.
You're trying to pretend you're nice on the video?
Yep.
Oh.
I have to. I have no choice.
Yes,
You want some rice? I need to eat. I need to eat guys rice na ano na to, masbati. And then gifliburan ako ba. Dali naman po.
Maybe we have to get out the house later because the next 3 days is rain. The next 3 days rain. So,
Oatmeal, mag-oatmeal si Mister.
take it fast, easy.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at the
Oh,
one.
you're already cooking.
Look be.
What's that?
Good.
Well,
Look.
oh,
Work. Work is really good.
that's our lunch.
Lunch, breakfast, whatever.
Oh, yeah. You haven't eaten
I haven't eaten 16 hours.
more than that. No, 12?
I ate two banana when I come home around 4 yesterday.
Oh,
Two
yeah.
banana.
Yeah.
So that was 4.
Yeah, 4 p.m.
4 p.m. So that was 4 p.m. That was
Yeah, you're right.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 hours ago I ate. I better go eat. Because my head hurts already. Meron tayong nilagay ko na pork na nilagay ko sa crock-pot. Ang tagal, masakit pala yung ulo natin guys pag hindi tayo makakain. Okay, we do it for 17 hours. 17 hours, let's eat.
You're eating your lunch for breakfast.
Good. It's good.
It's cocoa. What the hell is that?
This is what happened when the woman does not get caffeine. We become
This is
cuckoo.
what happens. What, become? When would you not? I only know Cuckoo for the last 7+ years.
7.
Yeah. It's
We get
like,
married guys 7 years ago.
yeah, it's like prison.
Yeah. He wants to get out of the prison.
I'm stuck.
Oh yeah. You're stuck.
Lucky you.
Kape. Kape of the day. Ngayon na tagal. Ngayon tayo. Dahil umaga na.
Okay, Vicky.
Kape. Woo! Headache. Headache. Oh, this is good for taco, di ba? I have coffee.
You have coffee?
Mm.
I know. Well, you're just like you. Have to clean up after you.
Ala?
Yeah, you leave. You go to work, I find your coffee creamer out, and all this guy back in the fridge. I find your socks everywhere, in the bed, on the floor.
But that's your job.
Take care of your ass, yes. That's full-time job plus overtime. That's like double pay, okay?
I think my head was telling me,
To eat?
yeah, to eat.
Yeah, of course. This is the day in the life of being a cuckoo person.
Today, yeah.
Every day.
We had not been going to grocery for 2 weeks. We have to go
Yeah, we're gonna go to Mexico. You have to get meat,
today. Go.
or we can go hunt
We can
moose.
go Costco. Moose?
Mhm.
We have to get moose there. Don't think you can kill a moose. I think we can kill a moose.
Like this. Well, yeah, starve or kill the moose. Buy the moose, go away. What you mean?
Moose going to buy.
You figure it out. Oh, this you can eat, this one you can't eat. This will taste good, this will make you sick. You figure it out.
I think you can eat all the body in the moose. It's me. You're baking?
I had that there for days, hoping that somebody would pay attention. My wish does not come true.
You just have to bake that.
That's his job.
Just add milk. I'll bake it.
Coffee creamer in the fridge. What's here?
Mm-hmm. Nagutom ako, guys. Nagugutom. Ate, malamig ko pala.
Lamig.
Lamig.
Kaayaw.
Ay, apa yun? Ay, tayo mo kami. Sa kagutom ko, guys, hindi ko na nalaman. Kuha ko ng room. Tinitiis ko yung malamig kasi nagugutom ako. Yeah. Oh, thank God, I ate already after so many hours I did not eat. May saging na to, guys. Okay, mukha akong saging. Saging nga hinog. Yan na to ni. Di ka pa ito, guys. Ay, natulog ko ukuan. Natulog ako ng, kahapon ako natulog alas 4 ng hapon. Nagising ako kanina, mga alas 6. So, 14 hours, 15 hours tayo natulog. Karon, buhaton na to karon. Karon, kay Saturday, buhaton natin ngayon is Mamilo. Manilaw ni Mr. Oh, nagkuha na, naglinya na din na. Pwede na Milo. Mabilo na ito, guys, mabilo. Punta na ko yung mga sinadya at pabilon. Muna akong trabaho, guys. Muna akong trabaho pag di-off ko. Ako tig pamilo. Kasi si Mr. Tigla ba? Ako tig pilo. So, mamilo. Magtutupi ba? Magtutupi. Yung mga sinina ni Mr. guys, oh. Yung mga damit ni Mr. guys, mga 19 forgotten guys, oh. Mga gisig-gisig na guys, oh. Dili pa gina niya palitan guys. Hindi pa yan niya. May mga butas-butas na guys, oh. Ah, mga butas-butas. Hindi pa talaga yan niya palitan guys. Napakatihik talaga guys. Kung minsan sabihin niya, ay, wag itapon yan dahil ano, bigay yan ng anak ko. Ay, hindi, wag itapon yan dahil remembrance nakin yan. Baka-bala na sila nagutay-gutay guys. Dili pa gina niya pa. Nagutay-gutay na yung mga damit guys. Hindi pa talaga yan niya ano guys. Hindi pa talaga yan niya ipangtapon guys. Pero guys, wag ninyong i-judge. Wag tayo mag-judgmental sa mga tao na ganyan guys, yung mga tihik guys. Kasi yung mga tihik guys, diyan sila nayayaman. Diyan sila nadato. Kami, dito lang ang buhay namin ganito. Pero yan si Mr. hindi yan magbili-bili guys. Yan siya guys, nadadato na yan siya guys. Yung mga gutay-gutay na tao na nakita ninyo diyan sa ano, sa street, ayaw nilang bibili ng mga damit guys dahil ano? Ayaw nilang bibili ng mga damit dahil hindi naman daw importante na maganda palagi tingnan yung tao dahil sa damit. At saka makasave pa sila ng pera. Dahil bakit daw tayo magpapapa-impress, mukha tayong mayaman na hindi naman. Pero yung totoong mayaman guys, yung may mga gutay-gutay na ang damit guys, katulad ng asawa ko. Yan, mayaman yung asawa ko dahil nandito ako sa kanya eh, number 1. Namamayaman, mayaman siya. Dahil nandito ako sa kanya. Dito guys, sa katotohanan guys, yung mga taong tihik talaga, lalo na sa Amerika guys. Maganda kayo, magpili na kayo ng tao kung mapangasawa ninyo, tihik. Yung lalaki na mahanap ninyo, tihik. Huwag ninyo ano-ano hindi, huhusgahan dahil ang tihik na yan, Diyos ko. May mayaman ang mga tihik guys, ikaw ang mapamana. Kita good vibes lang naman talaga yun sa atin guys ha. Pero talaga ang totoo, yung mga tihik yan sila ang mga mayaman. Kaya huwag kayong mag-judgmental sa mga tihik. Yan lang guys. Thank you guys for watching for our vlog for today's video. Wala lang po. Ngayon tayo nakapag-video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.